Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be doing the first oil change on the Subaru. This is what I'm gonna be using for the first oil change. I mostly got everything online except for the oil. I'm going to remove the oil cap. Alright guys, this is where the OEM oil plug is, right behind the headers. I'm going to put the car on a flat surface so I can drain most of the oil. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.